to Kharis Tutorials. I'm Simeon Grace and I'm going to be making a Keyhole Bustier dress. I'll be using 2 yards of Ankara to make mine. It's going to be a short gown and yours might be more than that depending on the size. And guess what? Yes, I'm going to be introducing you to a new show on Africa TV. So meet me now.
Hello guys. Hi everybody. I am excited to be here. I cannot overemphasize. Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you, Kharis.
You're welcome.
I'm here to talk about on this show. The name of the show is going to be Mina and the Ladies. I am going to be here talking about everything female, everything feminine, everything about just us girls. So I urge you to stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, to this channel, to her channel.
And don't forget, if this is your first time, please kindly click the subscribe and the bell. It is very important and it is totally free because you need to get updates anytime we upload a new video. Till I see you, bye. Welcome back. Here I have the half length of my dress. The half length is 15 inches plus my allowance. I have my underbust measurement 12 inches. I added 0.5 to be 12.5, and from the 12.5 I took my 3 inches. That's the nipple point from the underbust measurement is 3 inches. So I'm going to mark out the point. So this is my underbust line, my half length, then the underbust measurement from the shoulder, underbust, and here we have the nipple points. It varies, so you need to measure the nipple points from the underbust measurement or from the shoulder. So this is our nipple point. Then I'm going to fold our fabric. I use the bust circumference measurement plus 8 divided by 4. Bust 34 plus 8 is 42 divided by 4 is 10.5 inches. It's the same as the bust measurement divided by 4 plus 2 inches allowance. And again, I added extra 2 inches because it's a bustier blouse. So first, I'm going to take 6 inches. Because 6 inches is what I'll be taking out. So the 6 inches is going to be our cutout line. This is our cutout line. I'm going to cut it out. Then, like I said, I added extra 2 inches to the folding. So the first thing I need to do is to hide the extra 2 inches so that I can bring out all other shapes from the side. So now I have shoulder divided by 2. Then I added 0.5, that's 7.5 inches. The bust circumference measurement, which is I need to take down my 8.5 inches for armhole or 9 or 9.5 depending on the size. So here I have the bust circumference plus 8 divided by 4, that's 10.5. Below my underbust line, I'm going to take the underbust circumference measurement plus 8 divided by 4. So that from here I can connect my points. Then I'll take up 1 inch to bring out my curved shape, which is the armhole, just like this. Then from the nipple to the nipple point to the underbust circumference, just like that. So I'm going to cut this out. And our cutout line, I'm going to cut it out as well. We are still coming back to that, so let's focus on this first. I'm going to unfold the extra 2 inches so that I can bring out the bustier shape. Now, to bring out the princess that it's going to be the nipple to nipple measurement, and this is going to be 3.5 for this particular measurement. Yours can be 4. So I'm going to take my 3.5 inches all the way to the nipple point. To the nipple point, 3.5 inches. So which will curve out from this, from the armhole. I'm going to curve it out. Just like this. Then I'm going to take 1.5 inches from that point. I'll take 1.5 inches, which will stop at the under bust measurement. Then I'm going to connect from the nipple point to meet with my under bust. It's going to be a curved shape, then straight down. Then here I'm going to come by 1 inch. This is my line. Then another 1 inch, so I can meet up with the curve. So I'm cutting out the 2 lengths. This is going to be a curved shape, not a sharp edge. Then on this part, you know, we've brought out 6 inches. This is 6 inches. You can still decide to come down to 7 or 7.5 inches, depending on your choice. And also the width measurement has to do with what you want. So I'm going to take 2.5 inches. You can make yours 3 inches. You can make it 4 inches. So this is, I'm marking out 3 inches. So I'm going to curve it out just like this. And I'll be cutting it out as well. Again, now we come to the 6 inches. I'm going to unfold the 2 inches that was hidden so that I can take the 2 inches out from the armhole side. I'm going to cut it out. The 2 inches is what I'll be cutting out from here, so that the extra 2 inches does not affect this part of our dress. Now, the width and the neckline here has to do with your choice. I'm going to be taking 4 inches as the width measurement, and I'll be coming down by 3.5 inches. And also from the 6 inches, I'll be going up by 1 inch. Now on this part, whatever measurement you took from me, I took 3 inches. So I'm going to maintain my 3 inches as well on this part, so that I can curve it out like this. And the neckline, this is your choice. It can be any design of your choice, round or like a canoe neck. So this is going to come out like a canoe neck. Then the shoulder slope, I'm going to slant by 1 inch, so that wherever your neckline stops, that's the width, I'm going to slant to meet the 1 inch, and I'm cutting all this out. Now all that I have here, I am going to place on my Ankara fabric to cut. I'm going to place all this to cut on my Ankara fabric. Now I've cut out the fabric for that. So I have each piece, and I have also cut out lining for each piece. What I'm going to do now is to join the lining. I'm going to join this together. I'm also going to join the fabric, and for this I'll first turn the neck, then I'll bring it for you to see. All right, as you can see, I've joined the fabric, I've joined the lining, and for this I've turned the neck, and I've also turned this part, that's the base of it. So I'm just going to turn it inside out, and I'll iron it. All right, from here I am just going to place this and turn it over just like this. And also I'm going to pick the lining, so I'm going to join from this part. I'll join, then I'll trace this, then to the end. Let me quickly do that. Now what I'm going to do is to close up the sides, and I'm going to trim out the excess on the shoulder. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button. It is free. And also click the bell so you can get updates anytime I upload a new video. You can like this video and share as well for others to learn. Don't forget to leave your comment as well in the comment section below. So I'm just going to close the side, and you can go ahead and attach any base. You can attach it to make a dress or to make a blouse. You can make yours, and don't forget to share. Till I see you next class. Bye.